So there we go, people. Well, what is this? This is the green Dominator, the engine. It did blow up. Well, actually not the engine itself, but some part of it. Yeah. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how I rebuilt this engine and what was the problem. Let's get to it, okay? Take some popcorn, sit down, relax, and enjoy the video. So, what happened with this lady? Well, this happened. This is what happened, people. You can see over there, it just, okay, snapped, like exploded like bats. And all the parts they got in, they went to the cam followers. The cam followers did a nice job smashing everything. All these little parts, they got into the bottom. From the bottom, they got back to the oil tank. And we got lucky because it didn't go further than that. So, yeah, actually it was like this. He got the bike and everything was good and it was running, you know, perfectly, and he was so happy, and me too, you know, finally done with this project. But yeah, it seems to be that after the second ride he did, he went to put some gasoline, and after tanking, or yeah, filling up the gasoline, he took off and then immediately started da 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 da. And here you have the video.
No!
And yeah, after that we started to think like, okay, let's see, because he thought that was the magneto. So we checked for a spark, we checked for the if it's getting gasoline, we check if the valves are open and closed, because I immediately thought like, maybe a valve, whatever, maybe it's just stuck or whatever, you know, you never know, it could happen. And yeah, we checked the inlet was good, the exhaust, he immediately saw that. It was moving, almost nothing, and that.
What? What the fuck?
So when we saw that, then we needed to take apart, and then we saw all of this.
Damn!
And from there, we spoke it like, okay, what are we going to do? And he thought about it a few days, and then he told me like, okay, let's do this again. And I say, okay, let's bring the lady back. So that's what we're going to do. So let's go. So there you goes. Okay, this one is already done. Okay, you can see, pop. That's the way you know, without measuring anything. Okay, if the distance between the conrod and the crankshaft is good. If it works like this, you know, like you see, and it breaks off, that's perfect. That's just perfect. But I did measure this, and I know which tolerance should have, and I know which one you need to have, because in this, I don't know if it's on the camera. Let's try to show it somewhere. Let's see. Yeah, you see, this is plus 20. So, well, it should be like this. Sorry, this is plus 20. Okay, so the crankshaft has been already 2 times regrind. Okay, tack, okay, you make sure that it's flat, okay, that it's not like sticking out or something. Okay, so it must be flat, and you put it in, tick. Normal oil, if you put it, it just disappears. at the end it just goes and it disappears, okay? And this one is a special one, so it sticks into, so it doesn't get a dry start. It's that simple, okay? So voila. Don't be scared, just put a lot, okay? I prefer to have too much than too little. Yeah. So voila. This side. There you go. This one, so it doesn't get scratched or damaged. Voila. There you go. A little bit here. A little bit more. Okay. And let's go. Oh, I'm always so careful with this because they can snap, eh? Those bolts, sometimes they snap. Or they turn too long and then BAT! You see, I go slowly, a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here, you know? 1, 2, 1, 2. There you go. That's one, okay? Again. That's one. And 2, okay? Double check. Yeah, there you go. Voila. And then you will see, you see, bam. This is just perfect, you see? Woo. Perfect. So, next thing, let's go. So there you go. Okay, this one now is in position. You can see it's free and good to move. Okay, I just needed to clean up this hole, and therefore it was like a little tiny piece of material. But when I put it the first time, it was not going in, so I just clean it up now with the Dremel, and perfect. So yeah, that's perfect. That's good. So voila. So there we go. Okay. Voila. Ta-da. I got so far. Okay. Right now, let's see. This is on timing. Okay. So point. With point there. With point and point. Between those must be 10. This should be like 3 millimeters up, 3 millimeters low. More or less. Okay. So. Yeah, let's keep on going. I hope you like the time lapse. Yeah. Oh yeah, and I almost forgot. This one, okay? This one is left threaded, okay? But doesn't mean that a normal screw is a right one. So when you do like this, okay, you tie it up. But in this case, in this one, you go the other way around to tie it up, okay? So you go like this, and then you are tying it up. So this way, okay, to tie it up and to loose it this way. Really important, okay? So there you go. Lock in place with a safety wire, okay, and yeah, ready to go. So yeah, let's clean up this a little bit more, and then put some oil in it, put the pistons, gasket and start to build it up. So I come across with a little problem. The problem is that the gasket is not fitting in. So I try to open it, as you can see, okay, with this, you know, you can always use it. But it's not working because here is really way off and it's just a few millimeters before it breaks. You can see I don't like it. I don't like it here neither. So I have this one here. I'm gonna make it myself. So yeah, that's gonna be the next thing. So there you go, all the holes. Let's move on with the next. So there we go. Okay. Yeah. So it took me about 20 minutes, or even less, I think. And now, okay, let's build up the engine. Once the cylinder and everything is tied up, I'm gonna cut what is over, okay, because I still have some over material. But I don't want to make it too thin now because I need to take it in and out, and yeah, I'm afraid that it breaks. But yeah, looking nice. So there we go. We got so far, people. Okay, so now it's time to torque the cylinder head, okay? And yeah, let's try to show it, the sequence, because it's 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 6, and voila. Yeah, the little ones are 20 and the big ones are 30 foot-pounds. So I was saying, okay, this is the torque, yeah, the torque, and then this is the sequence. So let's get at it. This little one is how can I say, it's loose from this. So I was tying it up and I see it's coming. It's like no pressure. So unfortunately it wasn't that it's breaking off from here, it's just that the thread is gone. Yeah. So let's try to find a new one. Yeah. So there you go, people. Okay. New old one in place. So yeah, I was putting the cylinder head again. Okay, and this is what happened. Okay, you see this thread there? Yeah, you see nothing, right? So here you can see there's a thread. Okay, here there is no thread. That happened. I tied up this bolt and this one just keeps on going and keeps on going and keeps on going. And I'm like, no way. Well, yes. So there it goes. Right now I got it. So yeah, let's fix this, build everything back, and let's put the engine back into the frame and all the rest. Yeah. So there we go, people. Let's try to show it. Okay. Woo! I'm shaky. Okay. Yeah, you see? So good to go. Now let's clean it up, put the cylinder head, and keep on going. So something happened. This one got loose, so I was tying it up for, I don't know, the 4th time already, the cylinder head. And then I saw that this one was getting loose, just turning around. I'm like, okay, another one got broken. So I just made all of them. Okay, and now should be good to go, so let's see. So there you go, another one. So there we go. Okay, let's explain a little bit. Yesterday I put the engine back into the frame, and now I need to tie up all the bolts. Okay, all of them, and then let's build up this and put the oil tank and everything back. So, people, unfortunately that's all for this video, okay, because I still miss a gasket here for the carburetors, okay, and engine oil. So, yes, I guess I will show it in the next video, okay. She will be running, and hopefully everything is well, so fingers crossed. So I hope you liked the video, okay? Remember, if you like to help the channel, you can do so by buy me a coffee, okay? Or just giving a super thanks below somewhere here, or just liking and subscribing to this channel and share it with people, okay? Again, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Ciao.